I want to show you guys what I put in my teenage daughter's Easter baskets. I actually put stuff that they can use, so I thought I would share that with you guys. I also thought it would be better for me to bring you guys along with me. So the first thing I always do is I get the basket, just so I know what fits in there. I never go with anything like this. I like to get a basket that they can use all year long. So as soon as I came in this aisle, I spotted these up here. And these are just really cute. They can use them all year long. They can put like pencils in here, because if you look inside, they're plastic. So yeah, they can keep like art supplies, they can keep brushes, hair ties, they can do all kinds of things with this. And it's just, I mean, it just screams cuteness. And this is only gonna cost $8. So the next thing I'm gonna put in there is grass. And normally you can get your grass for like 50 cents. And I don't buy a lot of grass, I just get one each. I used to buy like a crap load of it and go too crazy on it, but now I'm just like, I've learned over the past few years that you only need one grass in there. Because this is for teenage girls, you guys, I always go with the little cute stuffed animal, just because, I don't know, like I just think it's adorable. So for example, girls love little crap like this. Look at this one, this is so cute. I'm just gonna sit this guy in there.
That's a girl.
Okay, I'm gonna sit this girl in there. Thank you, Faith.
You're welcome.
I don't know, I think this will be really good for school. It has little cute long doggies. What are they called? Weenie dogs. So yeah, we're gonna stick that in there. Because these kids are like in junior high and high school, I know they worry about their breath. So I like to stick things in like gum, and like these I think are the best. They're better than gum. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick those in. A girl can always use a shaver. Stick that in there. Just because this is an Easter basket, I like to do something special. Like normally I buy all our deodorant in a package at Costco, but this is something like I wouldn't normally buy. So that's why, you know, it's just a little extra to make them feel special. I'm just gonna stick that right there. And then like some shaving gel. It's already coming along so good, you guys. Look at this little brush. This is perfect. That is perfect. My girls are obsessed with only wearing black rubber bands. So I'm gonna go with these. And see how the whole theme is like purple and pink. We're gonna need a bath bomb in there. Because I just feel like, why waste money on like plastic eggs, stuff they're never gonna use? I think that this is better than Easter eggs. So we'll do 2. I'm looking for one more item in this aisle. Just because my girls don't wear makeup. Well, actually Faith is starting to wear makeup, but she doesn't wear a lot of it. So this is just like a tinted lip balm, which I love. It's light and simple. Last but not least, you guys, we're gonna need candy. We'll just stick that in the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what I put inside my teenage daughter's Easter basket. If you guys have any ideas on something I left out, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, now I gotta go get Miranda's basket.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.
The best vegetarian nachos you ever have. The best. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go. I realize I'm eating cheese today, you guys. I'm taking baby steps towards being a vegan. Anyway.
I pull it with a lemon.